25 million women go through menopause each year. મેનોપોઝ એક એવો શબ્દ છે જેના વિશે કદાચ આપણે બધાએ સાંભળ્યું છે, કાં તો ઘરમાંથી બહારથી લોકોને વાત કરતા, બટ many of us do not know what menopause is. મેનોપોઝ છે શું, એમાં શું થાય છે, કેમ જે પણ વિમેન મેનોપોઝમાંથી પસાર થઈ રહી છે અલગ અલગ જાતના સિમ્ટમ્સ એક્સપિરિયન્સ કરે છે, ઓર કરે છે પણ ખરી. આ જ બધા સવાલના જવાબ આપ્યા છે ડૉક્ટર રિતુ સિંઘવીએ આ એપિસોડમાં. જો તમારે મેનોપોઝ વિશે કે કોઈ પણ જાતના હોર્મોનલ હેલ્થ વિશે જાણવું છે તો this episode for you. We have discussed menopause and hormonal health in detail. Dr. Ritu Singhviએ batch flower therapy પર PhD કર્યું છે. She helps women, or I would say, she helps humanity heal through this difficult time. Stay tuned for this episode. Hello Ritu, how are you? How are you doing, first of all? Great. Chalo, that's a good news to start with. Okay, Ritu, we'll directly dive in the conversation.
Sure.
My first question is, what is menopause? And I would request you to explain it to me like a 10-year-old, as if I don't know nothing. Because why I would tell you that कि सोसाइटी में बहुत सारे ऐसे एरिया है, बहुत सारे ऐसे एज ग्रुप है जिन्होंने सुना है. You know, even if I talk about girls, they know of this word कि okay, menopause ऐसा कुछ होता है जो होता है, but they do not know what is it, what gets affected, what happens to you during that time. और जो लोग menopause से जा रहे होते हैं उनको भी शायद नहीं clarity होती. So I would request you to explain it to me like a 10-year-old so we all can understand what is it. Excuse me.
See, but in a single sentence, it is highly overwhelming, profound stage in a woman's life.
Okay.
Right? So we women go through 5 stages basically. Mota. Puberty, childbirth,
Okay.
perimenopause, menopause and postmenopause. तो puberty एक वर्ड में खत्म हो गया, childbirth एक वर्ड में खत्म हो गया, menopause it is perimenopause, menopause and postmenopause. So it lasts till you last on this earth.
Okay.
Right? And so like making a 10-year-old understand, it is only possible if she is into that puberty age. First thing, कि उसके periods आने लगे, then only she will understand this
Perfect.
thing. Because then only she will understand कि mood swings क्या होते हैं. And चलो, let me start not only from 10 as a mother wound. You start having these emotions right in your mother's wound.
Is it so?
Yes. Her emotions, because she's into a childbirth, her pregnancy. There's again hormonal imbalance, right? And there will be a lot of anxiety, stress, relationship issues. ये नहीं अच्छा लगता है. Lot of puking. So she's not in a perfect health. She's not in a perfect mental state that time. तो पुराने लोग बोलते थे ना प्रेगनेंसी में लड़कियों को कि अच्छा बोलो, अच्छा सुनो, गुस्सा मत करो. So this has a scientific base. कि everything, your emotions, you are passing on to your unborn child.
Oh.
So right from that moment, the child is engraving all the emotions of the mother.
Okay.
और वो एक के ऊपर दबते चले जाते हैं. और फिर बचपना भी आता है, बच्चे बड़े होते हैं. या when she is feeding, again she is too exhausted, tired. घर का काम and everything. She is so tired, exhausted. She happens to have a verbal conversation, heated conversation with her better half, या mother-in-law, या घर के दूसरे, चीज़ें पटकना या रोना unnecessarily. The child who is born now is not able to speak, but is able to capture his mother's emotion through feeding and even the voice.
Oh, okay.
They're getting into the baby.
Wow.
Baby is not able to speak, but वो सब जा रहा है बच्चे के अंदर. अब वो pile up हो रहा है, mother wound pile up हो रहा है, उसके ऊपर ये वाली चीज़ें pile up हो रही है. Now the kid is 3-4 year old, right? Now what happens there? बच्चा खाना नहीं खा रहा, हम generally by the way बोल देते हैं, तुमने ऐसा किया, खाना नहीं खाया तो नीचे से है ना वॉचमैन भैया आ जाएंगे.
Yes.
You are putting that fear in the baby, the child. Again, that is an emotion. बड़ा होके वो fear बढ़ता ही है, वो कम नहीं होता है. हम by the way कुछ भी बोल देते हैं बच्चों को. एकदम बेवकूफ़ हो, तुम्हें कुछ समझ में नहीं आता. बोला था यहाँ पे चीज़ पड़ी, उठा के नहीं ला सकते. Inferiority complex. So these emotions are piling up in the child.
Yes.
Right? Now we are just talking about the girl child. होता सब में है. Let's talk about the girl child.
Of course. But I would like to ask this question कि आपने जो बात की कि जब बच्चा माँ के पेट में होता है तभी से इमोशंस पास होते हैं. So does it apply to both the genders?
Both the genders.
Okay.
So I said कि it happens to both the genders. But right now we are talking about menopause. Yeah. So the girl is going to go through her periods. So let's discuss about the girls.
Perfect. Yeah.
And then especially the girls in Indian scenario, they are born with a guilt. They are raised with a guilt. कि ऐसे मत चलो, इतना जोर से नहीं बोलते. अभी भी कई जगह ऐसा होता है. धीरे बोलो, ढंग से कपड़े पहन के जाओ.
Yeah.
गाँव में तो अभी भी ऐसा होता है.
Yes.
So again this thing is engraved in our mind. और पीरियड्स के टाइम पे अभी भी कई जगह ऐसा होता है. मत खेलो ज़्यादा.
हाँ.
एक जगह बैठो, अलग से रहो. All these things are seeping in the mind. Why me?
Yes.
You know, why me? But they have a scientific base behind that, but we are not able to explain them.
Exactly.
Right? Because when you are dehydrating, your body is dehydrating, whether it is a loss of blood, whether it's a loss of like sugar,
sweat,
whether it's a loss of sweat, whether it's a loss of water, you are puking. So loss तो हो रहा है, dehydration तो हो रहा है body से. Blood is going out of your body.
Yes.
So your body needs rest. That is the reason they ask you to rest. But वो बोलते नहीं है, वो बोलने का तरीका अलग होता है.
अलग होता है.
So the more you rest during this period, you are getting mental rest as well as physical rest. Right? The basic reason is this. बोलने का तरीका is different. So that seeps in her mind कि why me?
Yeah.
Right? So now at this stage, she is going through a puberty and her mother might be going through menopause or perimenopause.
What a clash.
Now see the conflict. ये बैलेंस नहीं कर पा रही है अपने इमोशंस. इसको नहीं समझ में आ रहा है मेरे साथ क्या हो रहा है. Now the girls start getting their periods as early as 10 and 11 also.
Yeah.
That's a time when there is no growth as it is. So उसको वो समझ में ही नहीं आता मेरे साथ क्या हो रहा है. Beyond that, फिजिकली तो समझ में आ जाएगा, बट मेंटली नहीं समझ में आ रहा है कि इरिटेबिलिटी हो रही है. She is getting mood swings.
Yes.
She doesn't want to get up from the bed. She doesn't want to study. These are all hormonal imbalance. Mom is going through perimenopause and menopause. उनके अलग चल रहे हैं. So वो जो बच्चे और माँ के बीच में जो द्वंद होता है ना, लड़ाई झगड़ा, छोटी मोटी चीज़ें, it expands and makes such a big issue out of it. उसमें पिस्ता कौन है? Father. Because now he's a person, he's not understanding what is the puberty imbalance and what is the menopause imbalance.
Oh.
वहाँ से घर में दरारें आनी चालू होती हैं.
Yes.
Many places. Because that is what my cases are about. My husband doesn't understand me.
Yeah.
And when you do not get well verbally and mentally, there is an issue in your sex life. You do not want to have sex. And at and during menopause, you are sexually active. You need that sex life.
Okay.
One, because hormones are dictating you.
Yes.
And second, because there's an inferiority complex in menopause. Ki my hair, my skin is going for toss.
Yes.
I'm putting on weight. I'm getting ugly in my voice. I'm shouting, yelling for no reason.
So the insecurity creeps
Insecurity
in.
keeps in.
हाँ.
और लगता है कि my husband doesn't like me because we are not having sex that often.
Yeah.
But the fact is that वो जो differences आ रहे हैं verbally या because of your anxiety and depression, men are basically, you know, they are pushed away by the ugliness of the voice in women.
Okay.
Yes. You know, because when we are too much of anxiety prone or into depression or into simple word despondency. Depression तो बहुत later stage में आता है.
Yes.
So despondency, then actually what happens, we do not realize how and what we are speaking.
हाँ.
गुस्से में जब हम बोल जाते हैं ना,
हाँ.
men भी बोलते तो भी हमें अच्छा नहीं लगता. वो मजाक भी करते तो इस स्टेज पे हमें मेनोपॉज पे नहीं अच्छा लगता. Because we do not want to age.
Okay.
Age with so many issues. Aging होगी हमें पता है, but with so many issues we are not ready right now.
Yes.
So when आदमी लोग मजाक करते हैं ना, हमें नहीं पसंद आता है. Because we are still living in that age of 30-35.
100%.
Now things have changed. Just now right I said कि मैं भूल गई थी.
हाँ.
So he said कि अरे तुम इतना चीज़ें भूलने लगी हो. I don't like it. But it's okay. It's a part of a life. So I don't mind it. But women don't like it. Trust me. So when they are during their periods or menopause, so you have to be very careful at what you speak.
Yes.
पता नहीं चलता. So this is the problem with men. They say कि यार तुम्हारा पता ही नहीं चलता, तुम कभी भी गुस्सा हो जाती हो, कभी भी कुछ भी बोल देती हो. And then, they want to leave us alone. Okay, so you be with yourself. I don't want to get into you.
Agree.
So now the disagreement gets into the sex life.
Okay.
और फिर उसका दिमाग और आगे चलने लगता है. I think he likes somebody else. He's going out. He doesn't like me anymore. He doesn't come near me anymore. And they are repelled by the smell. Okay. Generally, you will notice, like during menopause, we women tend to sweat a lot.
अच्छा, okay.
We women tend to sweat. बहुत गर्मी लगती है, तो we sweat a lot and we get this, smell.
Okay.
Bodily smell होती है. साथ साथ में menopause में कैसा होता है? You are continuously either bleeding or you're not bleeding.
Yeah.
So even if you're not bleeding, you're accumulating.
अच्छा.
And if you're bleeding, then of course the bacteria are always around. Right? And we are so exhausted, so tired कि हमको बोलो ना दिन में 3 बार नहाने के लिए, we won't. Because we are so tired, mentally and physically. अब वो स्मेल से men are repelled. बोलेंगे नहीं क्योंकि उनको पता है कि अभी इशू खड़ा हो जाएगा कि स्मेल आ रही है. So if he tells me कि ऋतु स्मेल आ रही है, of course I will not like it. I will blast.
Of course.
तुमको तो मुझ में हर बार दिक्कत ही दिखती है. That kind of a thing. These are the normal conversation. In my 100 cases I have seen this.
Wow.
So more than us, self awareness होएगी तो ही हम उनको समझा पाएंगे. So they will understand, they will empathize with us. So they will leave us if we are shouting or yelling or even like बाहर से when I come home ना, so I generally like today also my husband said कि साड़ी पहनकर, मैंने कहा are you crazy? इतनी गर्मी, मैंने कहा मैं जैसी हूँ मैं वैसी जाऊँगी. So that's kind of an irritation if I'm doing that because I don't like wearing heavy clothes. That's a menopause thing.
Yes.
Because I am hot flashes आ रहे हैं, I'm sweating all the time. So if I wear heavy clothes, मुझे अंदर से anxiety होने लगेगी.
Yeah.
Right? So it's a loop. एक के बाद एक के बाद एक के बाद बहुत सारी चीज़ें आती रहती हैं. So all the emotions, they are overlapped, they are looped, they're intertwined. So there is basically, I will say, there's an intimate connection between your mind and your body.
और हमें लगता है कि menopause is just a physical thing.
No, it lasts till you last, as I said.
That's a beautiful explanation, Ritu. હવે જ્યારે જેમ તમે મેન્ટલ એસ્પેક્ટની વાત કરી કે કેવી રીતે આપણા ઇમોશન્સને ટ્રિગર કરે છે કે કેવી રીતે આપણા ઇમોશન્સને અફેક્ટ કરે છે મેનોપોઝ, આઈ વુડ રિક્વેસ્ટ યુ કે તમે એ પણ સમજાવો કે બોડીમાં શું થાય છે, મતલબ કે મેનોપોઝ કેવી રીતે પ્લે આઉટ થાય છે તમારી બોડીમાં, હોર્મોન્સમાં કયા કયા ચેન્જીસ આવે છે, તમારી પીરિયડ સાયકલમાં કેવી રીતે ઇશ્યુઝ થાય છે, એન્ડ વોટ એકચ્યુઅલી ઇઝ મેનોપોઝ when it comes to our physical body.
Okay. So we know that 25-27 days का cycle होता है, period cycle होता है. Why it goes for a toss? Either because of self neglect या proper way में बोले, so there is a likelihood of your lifestyle.
Achha.
Right?
Yeah.
So like your lifestyle is for a toss. You sleep late at night. You eat junk. All these things affect your hormones. We do not realize that, but they do affect your hormones. And सबसे पहले affect होता है gut.
Yes.
Right? So I always say कि physical illness is definitely a manifestation of your negative state of your mind. Right? But not always.
Okay.
I never agree with wholeheartedly कि mind से ही सब physical illness निकलती. Never. Ever it is 100%. Because material factors are always there. The toxins in the environment or the infections we keep getting, virals and all that stuff.
Yeah.
Right? And the poor nutrition. हमें नहीं है but गांव में तो होता ही है. So all these things also they trigger physical illnesses. But 70% times ये दिमाग का खेल है.
अच्छा.
जैसे हमें नानी दादियाँ बोलती थी ना, जैसा बोलोगे, जितना अच्छा बोलोगे उतना अच्छा होगा, अच्छा सोचोगे तो अच्छा बोलोगे तो अच्छा होगा. So it is all about mind.
Okay.
Alright? So I will say again it is a two pathway. एक तो direct emotion and thoughts, they affect directly to your endocrine system.
Okay.
Your hormonal system. And your immune system.
Yes.
Direct thoughts will directly affect your endocrine, that is hormonal system, and your immune system. That's a direct connection. Right? And now again I will say कि substance abuse, alcoholism, smoking, and self-neglect towards yourself. So ये किसके अंदर होता है? Those people who are either sad or they have suppressed emotions. Because men, they have an externalization of their emotions. ना, okay. In a simple language, एक चीज, हमारे emotions होते हैं bodily embedded.
Okay.
राइट. सो जो भी हमारे अंदर होता है, फिजिकल शेमिंग हो गई या वायलेंस हो गया या अब्यूज़ हो गया, सो वो स्ट्रेस की तरह अंदर बैठा चला जाता है, जो डिप्रेशन में चला जाता है. वी डू नॉट वॉइस इट ईजिली. मेन का कैसा होता है कोपिंग मैकेनिज्म? जनरली दे आर वर्बल, दे आर एग्रेसिव और फिजिकल अब्यूज़ भी करते हैं, कुछ वायलेंट होते हैं. तो इनका ये कोपिंग मैकेनिज्म होता है. हमारा कोपिंग मैकेनिज्म होता है इजीली रोना और अंदर ही भरना. सो इंटरनलाइजेशन, एक्सटर्नलाइजेशन. सो हमारी लाइफस्टाइल बहुत मैटर करती है हमारे मेंटल इफेक्ट पे. सो आई ऑलवेज से कि माई मेंटर यूज टू से द रिमोट कंट्रोल ऑफ योर मेंटल हेल्थ इज इन योर हैंड. तो सेल्फ हीलिंग इज मस्ट, बट वो सेल्फ अवेयरनेस होएगी तो सेल्फ हीलिंग
होगा. एग्जैक्टली. और अभी जो आपने बात की, जो पूरा की माँ शायद मेनोपॉज स्टेज से जा रही है और उनकी लड़की शायद प्यूबर्टी हिट कर रही है, तो ये सारे जो क्लैशेस होते हैं वहाँ से भी कहीं ना कहीं चाइल्डहुड ट्रॉमा भी डेवलप होता है. एंड यू मैनिफेस्ट सर्टन काइंड ऑफ डिजीज और सर्टन काइंड ऑफ इलनेस और सर्टन काइंड ऑफ स्ट्रेस लेवल्स, एंड इट ऑल प्लेज आउट व्हेन यू आर इन योर मेनोपॉज स्टेज. सो इन अ वे इट्स अ लूप.
इट्स नॉट चाइल्डहुड बाद में नहीं हुआ ना. मदर वुंड आया, चाइल्डहुड ट्रॉमाज आए, प्यूबर्टी ट्रॉमाज आए, चाइल्ड बर्थ ट्रॉमाज आए, बहुत सारे जो भी आते हैं वो हम पीछे छोड़ते चले जाते हैं एज अ सप्रेशन. हम छोड़ देते, चलो जाने दो, जो हुआ सो हुआ. ये सब बाद में निकलते मेनोपॉज के टाइम पे हमें बहुत पुरानी चीज़ें भी याद आने लगती हैं, बिकॉज दैट इज़ द टाइम द हार्मोनल्स आर डिक्टेटिंग अस. सो मुझे एकदम याद आ जाएगा कि मम्मी आपने मुझे एक दिन उठा के सोफे पे पटका था बचपन में. यू नो वो पुरानी बातें जो सप्रेस्ड हुई हैं, इफ यू डू नॉट, बोलते ना, इफ यू डू नॉट रिलेट टू देम एट द राइट मोमेंट, वो कहीं ना कहीं निकलेगी. बाद में आके निकलेगी. सो इट इज ऑलवेज बेटर टू टॉक अबाउट योर मेंटल हेल्थ. जब समझ में आने लगे तभी सवेरा टाइप्स. सो आई ऑलवेज, अभी भी जैसे कई बार लेडीज आती हैं कि माई डॉटर इज 30, शी इज गोइंग थ्रू दिस. So I tell young girls, whenever I'm taking a class, I tell young girls, everything has a right time. हर चीज़ का एक समय होता है. So I will not, so this can be a discussion further in a sense कि you might not agree with me, but biologically I will tell you, sexually you are more active till 27, 28, 29. So if you have a child by that time, the child is mentally very strong, because your cells are growing, they are not degenerating. And by the time you are 30 plus or something, you give birth to a child, you are already so tired. How do you get that kind of a time to be with your child?
Yes.
You are so exhausted. Right? So as long as you are young, so वो हर चीज़ का समय होता है. अब things have changed. So I will not argue about that. But I always say कि live in present. जो चीज़ का समय जब है वो चीज़ हो जानी चाहिए. If you want, if you do not want, that's a different point altogether. That is about it. So उस वक्त कैसा था? My mom and my age. So that's a first hand experience I can say. So I was at that age. मैं थी 20 year की and my mom was going through menopause. इतनी समझ नहीं थी, but since I was lucky that my father is a doctor, so he could explain it to me. But it becomes very difficult that girls are 30 and then their parents, mothers are going through menopause. It is very difficult. Both the stages are entirely clashing. Like even puberty, that was my generation. Now your generation, childbirth and mother is going through menopause. So you are expecting that your mother is going to help you. But who is going to help her out?
It's so true.
So basically, we are not understanding even as women. So that has to come out. And I always say, go for counseling for puberty, for childbirth, for pregnancy, even while you are getting married. Because अब दोनों की सोच एकदम, strong है. So you need that kind of an adjustment in life.
Yes.
he might not understand you physically, what is going inside you.
Yeah.
So there you need a counseling. Then you need a counseling in menopause. But it has to be a couple counseling all the time. Except for puberty, of course. Puberty में parents के साथ होना चाहिए. But that way.
That's so important. Again, डॉक्टर, तो मेरा सवाल शायद वही है अभी भी कि why am I asking you this question कि body में exactly क्या होता है. Why most of the boys, even they are very well educated, they don't know what happens during periods, even when they are in college. ठीक है, तो मेनोपॉज की बात तो बहुत दूर है. तो इफ़ यू कैन एक्सप्लेन कि हमारी जो साइकिल होती है, मतलब what actually happens in your body.
Okay. Yeah. I think I forgot that. Yeah. But beautifully you reminded me. Yeah. See, female hormones कम होने लगते हैं as we age.
Yes.
As we go through perimenopause, female hormones कम होने लगते हैं.
What are female hormones?
They are estrogens. So they which define our periods. जो child birth में help करते हैं.
हाँ.
So they start declining.
Yeah.
And in all bodies we have female hormones and male hormones. आपके में male hormones भी हैं, female hormones भी हैं, gents में female hormones भी हैं, male hormones भी हैं. But in women, what happens during menopause? Female hormones कम होने लगते हैं.
अच्छा.
और male hormones as it is they are there.
Okay.
Right? ये कम होने लग रहे हैं तभी हमारे periods like they are going for a toss, कभी बहुत ज़्यादा हो रही है या कभी 2-2 महीने के लिए नहीं हो रहे हैं.
Yes.
Right?
Okay.
And when they are not happening, what is happening? This is because of hormonal imbalance. What are hormones that I said again? कि female hormones कम होने लग रहे हैं, male hormones are still dictating. They are still there.
Yeah.
So what changes we see? Hoarse voice. जो PCOD, PCOS में भी दिखते हैं. Because again, male hormones are dictating. And what happens? You get facial hair.
Yeah.
मूँछों पे भी ऐसे आने लगते हैं, यहाँ पे भी आने लगते हैं. So actually they make you inferior complex आने लग जाते हैं कि ये क्या हो रहा है. और internally what starts happening? You start getting those palpitations, right? Gut issues.
Yes.
Metabolism goes for a toss, and then you are putting on weight, right? You start getting osteoporosis.
Okay.
पैर दुख रहे हैं, बैक एक हो रहा है, ये सारी चीज़ें हो रही है. आई साइट में फ़र्क आने लगता है.
Okay.
Forgetfulness. And you think that dementia is creeping in, Alzheimer is creeping in. No, these are the side effects. You will get thyroid, you will get high BP.
Oh.
You will get borderline sugar also. So these are the bodily changes. और then we go to the modern medicines, तो बोलते कि नहीं एज के हिसाब से ये सब होता है. एज तो आ ही रही है, but these are the side effect of hormonal imbalance in a menopause women. They can be very well treated holistically also.
Okay.
Yes, you do not always have to start taking those modern medicines. जिसके साइड इफेक्ट्स अलग होंगे,
हाँ.
फिर आप उसको भी डील करो. आई सेड अगेन इट्स अ लूप.
It is a loop.
इट्स अ लूप. सो बॉडीली चेंजेस हेयर से लेके टोज तक.
हाँ.
ब्रिटल नेल्स टोज तक पहुंच गए आप. मेटाबॉलिज्म, लिवर फंक्शनिंग, किडनी इज अफेक्टिंग, यूरिन इनकॉन्टिनेंसी. अंदर से तो सारा कुछ चेंज हो रहा है. सो हाउ यू डील विद दैट कम्स आउट इन एंगर, फ्रस्ट्रेशन. कि कभी गट इशू हो रहा है, कभी बैक एक हो रहा है, कभी सुनाई नहीं दे रहा है ढंग से, कभी भूल रही हूँ मैं, कभी पैल्पिटेशन हो रहा है, मुझे हार्ट इश्यूज हो रहे हैं. You consider it as a heart issue, but that is a palpitation.
Yeah.
So there are hundred of things going on in your body along with these 40 plus emotions that is already going on. So you are at a toss. You are not able to understand yourself. तो दूसरा क्या ही समझेगा आपको.
So true.
So these are the changes that goes in your body.
Wow.
Heart से लेके, liver से लेके, kidney से लेके, urine से लेके, uterus से लेके, everything is on toss. So what I faced majorly was forgetfulness, my hearing capacity, borderline thyroid,
okay,
borderline sugar, and my cholesterol, and my metabolism. 6-7 एक साथ बैंड बजा रहे थे. So 6 months down the line, because of bachelor remedies and my homeopathy and of course Ayurveda. सबसे पुराना हमारा आयुर्वेदा है. If we go through that, believe me, half of the things तो ऐसे ही cover up हो जाती हैं.
You're talking about the routine and everything.
Routine Ayurvedic medicines, they are so helpful. They are so natural basically. So if we understand Ayurveda and homeopathy, तो हमारी आधी प्रॉब्लम तो ऐसे ही सॉल्व हो जाती हैं. एंड समटाइम्स व्हेन आई गो एक्स्ट्रा क्रेजी एंड एक्स्ट्रा मैड, तो मैं कई बार बोलती हूँ कि आयुर्वेदा को जो जानबूझ के लॉबी ने ख़त्म कर दिया है. बिकॉज इफ इट कम्स आउट, सो बिलीव मी, आधी तो मॉडर्न मेडिसिन की लॉबी ऐसे ही खत्म हो जाएगी. As I think I discussed with you, because of my hysterectomy, I was supposed to go through hysterectomy. Ayurveda and homeopathy and my batch flower. Wow. My uterus is still intact in my body. So why do we have to go through all these things? Because we are self-unaware of these things.
You just mentioned, I'm so sorry, I'm not able to pronounce
hysterectomy.
it. Oh, can you, if you are comfortable, can you explain what happens during that time?
Yes. So there are a lot of issues because of fibroids or because of endometriosis line.
Okay.
Many times we face immense pain. इतना पेन होता है कि कई बार 7 month की प्रेगनेंसी लगती है. यूट्रस स्वेल हो जाता है. यू आर नॉट एबल टू वॉक क्योंकि बैक पूरा लोड ले रहा होता है. यू आर प्यूकिंग ऑल द टाइम.
ओके.
because of the endometriosis line and fibroid. You are bleeding all the time. Every 10 minutes you have to go to the washroom. So generally जब हम इतना resilience नहीं होता, when we go to the doctor, they say कि hysterectomy करवा लो. Many times it is needed. I don't deny it. But most of the time, if you are aware what is going inside your body, and if you are aware कि there are other holistic approach, Ayurveda भी है, homeopathy भी है, bachelor remedies भी हैं. But you need to have that kind of a patience with these things.
Yeah.
So 6 months, when I asked my doctor how many months, like when can I go for hysterectomy, बोले 5-6 महीने में भी कभी भी, it is not an emergency. So I immediately went for Ayurveda and homeopathy. Wow. And 7 months, I was in deep pain. I was not able to walk. I needed help करवट बदलने में. But they helped me so nicely that I'm sitting here with my uterus intact right now.
Beautiful, beautiful. Ritu will approach this topic as well, flower therapy and Ayurveda and everything. But before that, as we are talking about menopause, this is maybe one of the important question कि आपने बोला कि 3 phases होते हैं, ठीक है, and you deal with it until you die, right? तो can you just explain कि कौन कौन से स्टेजेस होते हैं और कौन कौन सी एज में हम ये स्टेजेस में आते हैं, सो दैट वी कैन अंडरस्टैंड कि ओके, बाय मोस्ट प्रॉब्ली बाय दिस एज वी विल स्टार्ट अप्रोचिंग मेनोपॉज.
यस, यू स्टार्ट अप्रोचिंग पेरीमेनोपॉज अराउंड 40 39 40.
ओके.
क्रीप इन होने लग जाता है. अराउंड 51 52 53 मेनोपॉज आ जाता है.
ओके.
सो द लास्ट पीरियड्स यू गेट, then the whole year you do not get the periods. 12 months you do not get the periods. Then you are at a menopause. Before that it is perimenopause and premenopause चल रहा है.
Okay.
Like infrequent bleeding. 2 महीना नहीं हुआ. Then 15 days में 2 बार हो गया. So those are the conditions of perimenopause and premenopause.
तब आपको पता चल जाता है.
आपको पता चल जाता है कि अब समय आ रहा है. Bodily changes आएंगे, mental changes आएंगे. Those are the indications. Right? And they start creeping in from 40.
अच्छा.
And by 52 we understand कि Indian women में by 51 52 menopause आता है.
अच्छा.
Post menopause is all the more again difficult. अब इसके बाद चालू होती है aging. Right? जो भी bodily changes थे, if we are not self-aware, if we are not treating, if you are not self-healing, then you need modern medicines. They have side effects. Then you get severe osteoporosis. Then you get heart issues also. Then you start having urine incontinency. इतनी होती है कि आपको लगता है कि यूरिक एसिड बढ़ गया है, तो किडनी के इश्यूज चालू हो जाएंगे मेडिसिन से. सो वो बहुत सारी चीज़ें पोस्ट मेनोपॉज में. पोस्ट मेनोपॉज लास्ट टिल यू लास्ट, दैट इज़ फॉर श्योर. वो चलता ही रहता है कुछ ना कुछ. और हम बोलते ना अब एज है, ये तो होगा ही. डेफिनेटली एज के साथ ही होता है ये सब चीज़ें. बट पोस्ट मेनोपॉज ये बहुत जल्दी क्रीप इन करती हैं. बिकॉज आप मेनोपॉज की वो दवाइयाँ तो ले ही रहे हो आपकी बॉडी के हिसाब से. दे आर ऑल हैविंग साइड इश्यूज इन योर बॉडी धीरे धीरे. एंड आई ऑलवेज से दैट वी इंडियन women आर क्वाइट लेजी, especially after 50+. We are quite lazy. We do not believe in strength training. We do not believe in cardio exercises. और ये तो 70% फैक्ट है कि जैसे ही 50 52 53 मेनोपॉज आपके बेटे बेटी की शादी हुई, सो वीमेन थिंक कि नाउ आई एम फ्री, अब मैं भजन कीर्तन आराम से कर सकती हूँ. Right? Now I can devote my life to religious rites or whatever are these. But they forget to,
devote their life to themselves.
Self neglect is happening due to this. ये सब करो, लेकिन self awareness of your body होना चाहिए. So the muscle wear and tear is this. Muscle wear and tear होगी तो आपको लगेगा मेरे को तो sciatica भी हो गया है, मेरे को osteoporosis भी हो गया है, मेरा हिप नहीं काम कर रहा है, मेरा बैक काम नहीं कर रहा है, देयर इज अ इशू इन माय स्पाइन. नो भाई, द मसल्स आर वेयरिंग एंड टेयरिंग. यू नीड स्ट्रेंथ एक्सरसाइज. यू डो नॉट नीड डॉक्टर्स बेसिकली. एंड मेंटल कंडीशन ऐसी रहेगी तो फिजिकल में आएगा ही आएगा, बिकॉज यू आर सो अनहैप्पी.
एग्जैक्टली. एंड यू आर कॉन्स्टेंटली वरीड कि क्या हो क्या रहा है.
यू आर कॉन्स्टेंटली वरीड. तो वो फिजिकल इश्यूज कैसे जाएंगे? स्टॉप बॉदरिंग योर बॉडी, स्टॉप अब्यूजिंग योर बॉडी. सो वो मेनोपॉज एक बहुत अच्छा स्टेज भी बन सकता है.
Yes, to get in touch with yourself.
Yeah, you are. Yeah. So I always say now I have so ample of time because whenever my kids are calling me, where are you? I am in the gym. I am playing tennis. I am walking. I am going for a jog because I have ample of time.
Yeah.
And I'm not neglecting my body. I'm loving my body more now because I have all the time in the world now.
That's beautiful. Wow. Thank you so much, Dr. Ritu, for, talking about this perspective of menopause too. Now, I would just request you, before we dive into the therapy and the actions we take to prevent the symptoms, can you just talk about major symptoms of menopause कि जो most of the women face करती हैं? I assume कि हर एक की बॉडी अलग होती है तो शायद symptoms भी अलग हो सकते हैं.
बिल्कुल अलग होते हैं.
But ऐसा कुछ है कि जो these are the general symptoms जो most of the ladies face करती हैं, if you can point those down.
Yes, see, physically everybody can see what happens in the body. हेयर थिनिंग होने लग जाता है, पिगमेंटेशन इन द स्किन होने लग जाता है, वेस्ट टाइम बढ़ने लग जाती है, ब्रिटल नेल्स हो जाते हैं. ये तो सब चीज़ दिख रही है. बट जो चीज़ दिखती नहीं है और जो 99% women फेस करती है, दैट इज मेटाबॉलिज्म. डिप इन अ मेटाबॉलिज्म. देन वी गो फॉर कीटो थेरेपीज एंड इंटरमिटेंट फास्टिंग. सो हमारे स्क्रिप्चर्स ऑलरेडी इंटरमिटेंट फास्टिंग तो तब से ही बोलते थे कि सांझ पड़े बाद खाना नहीं खाना है.
फॉलो द सर्केडियन रिदम एंड एवरीथिंग.
सो ये तो हमारे पहले से ही हुआ करता था. आयुर्वेद तो पहले से ही बोलता था रात के वक्त नहीं खाना है. सो दैट इज एन इंटरमिटेंट फास्टिंग. सो मेटाबॉलिज्म goes for a dip because of hormonal imbalance. ये 99% women we face.
Yes.
Right? And we face palpitation. So we think that something is wrong with our heart. Forgetfulness.
अच्छा.
फ्रिज खोल के खड़े हो जाना, मैंने फ्रिज क्यों खोला था? So sometimes you say कि this is maybe because you're preoccupied, multitasking. No baby, it is not always like that. These are the side effects. Forgetfulness.
Okay.
Right? And then hot flashes.
What is hot flashes?
Right now I told you ना कि मुझे नहीं पता कि मुझे एकदम गर्मी लगेगी या एकदम ठंड लगेगी.
That is.
So I'm just sitting and then suddenly I will say, मैंने कहा राजीव AC क्यों नहीं ऑन है? यार AC ऑन है, लगती है.
सही बात.
Because these are again I will say hormonal imbalances.
Hormonal imbalance.
But then you have the ways to cope up with these. Cold flashes भी होते हैं, बहुत ठंड लगती है. Unnecessarily अब बैठे हैं एकदम ठंड लग जाएगी. So anxiety होने लग जाती है उसकी वजह से.
Yes.
कि एकदम गर्मी लग रही है तो you start getting anxious कि what is happening to me. All these things.
And I've heard that कि कुछ ladies जो होती हैं when they are in this stages of menopause, they are likely to develop depression as well because of, I've heard that it can be right, wrong, I don't know. I just wanted to discuss.
That's what I said. Despondency से depression में चले जाते हैं if you do not एक word है उसके लिए, अगर आपने उसके बारे में नहीं समझा, सेल्फ अवेयर नहीं हुए, so you are definitely going into depression because the changes in your body physically and internally and externally both, you're not getting what is happening to you. फाइनली आपको ये लग रहा है मेरे को तो ऑस्टियोपोरोसिस भी है और मेरे को लिवर में भी प्रॉब्लम है, मेरे को किडनी में भी प्रॉब्लम है, मैं तो अब बूढ़ी हो गई हूँ, आई कैनॉट डू एनी थिंग. मेंटली यू हैव प्रिपेयर्ड योर सेल्फ फॉर दैट. और फिजिकली तो फिर वो जवाब दे ही रहा है, माइंड जवाब दे ही रहा है बॉडी को कि बिहेव लाइक दिस. सो यू आर डेफिनेटली गोइंग इनटू डिप्रेशन एंड दिस बेसिकली स्टार्ट्स फ्रॉम वेयर? चाइल्ड बर्थ के बाद पोस्टपार्टम डिप्रेशन. हैव यू हर्ड अबाउट दैट?
Yes, I have.
99% women face that.
99%.
99% women face that. They do not know. The family members do not know. और वो बढ़ बढ़ के फाइनली वो टोटल डिप्रेशन में चला जाता है. जब हम बोलते हैं ना कि लाइक लास्ट टाइम व्हाट हैपेंड, वन ऑफ माय केसेस, so she is into postpartum depression from past 14 years. Not have been addressed by herself and by the family. Nobody knows about it. Finally वो मैंने निकाला कि postpartum depression है, हमें इसको बाहर निकालना पड़ेगा. Continuous modern medicine देने से she was always sleeping, she was always drowsy, not able to do any work, put on weight, metabolism gone for a toss, looped.
Oh my God.
बच्चों का ध्यान नहीं रख सकती बिकॉज मेडिसिन से सारा दिन ड्राउजी है. शी इज नॉट एबल टू टेक केयर ऑफ हरसेल्फ. व्हाट केयर शी विल टेक ऑफ फॉर द फैमिली?
Yes.
So
वो भी लोड आएगा सर.
वो भी लोड आ रहा है, डिप्रेशन का लोड आ रहा है, लेकिन वो पोस्टपार्टम का लोड आ रहा है मेनोपॉज पे भी. एंड देयर इज नोबडी टू अंडरस्टैंड हर बिकॉज शी इज नॉट अंडरस्टैंडिंग हर ओन बॉडी. और अब तो डिप्रेशन आने के बाद देयर इज नो पॉइंट ऑफ हर अंडरस्टैंडिंग. So have sympathy, have empathy when women are going through these phases. Postpartum depression, it's a huge thing. You need to have that kind of a counseling. You need to have empathy towards a women. बच्चा देने के बाद the entire body is changed. So be little empathy दिखाओ. And then the feeding, she's so exhausted.
Yes.
So all the time. Then she thinks ki, and the husband is busy in the world because he has to earn for the family. Okay, I'm not blaming them. They have to earn. But वो वहीं से creep up होता है distance.
Oh.
Because she is always crying and she is always complaining. He doesn't want to come home. अभी घर गया ये वापस मगजमारी चालू हो जाएगी.
Yes.
Right? There you need a counseling. But I always say कि men need to understand this. When we have put them on the upper hold of physical thing, they need to understand their women. They're finally going to have daughters if they have daughters. They need to understand. Yes. They have mothers, they have wives, they have sisters. They are surrounded by women.
100%.
So, and we are surrounded by men. So it's a give and take relationship.
Absolutely. और I would like to mention this कि मैंने कई लड़कों को या कई मैन को बोलते भी देखा है कि हाँ पीरियड्स और महीने आता है या फिर मेनोपॉज तो आता रहता है, उसमें व्हाई डू यू नीड एक्स्ट्रा केयर, ये सब दिमाग में है, यू गेट रिड ऑफ इट एंड यू विल बी फाइन, एंड she just needs some pampering, dude, nothing else. You know, I've heard a lot of these kind of comments, and it really pinches me that, dude, you don't know what is actually going inside. We don't want to get irritated. We don't want to shout, but it happens to us. So why not? Can't you be just little empathetic? So this is my next question, Ritu, that as a family member, अगर हमारी family में कोई women menopause stage से जा रही है, तो what can we do as a family member to support her, to understand her?
First and foremost is self-awareness. Whether you are the patient, whether you are a family member, whether you are husband, whether you are wife, या माँ है या बेटी है, जो भी है, self-awareness about that thing होनी चाहिए. Whether you are getting married, वो counseling होनी चाहिए, because there is again a difference from the place she is coming to the place she is going. Right? Same child birth के time पे भी और menopause के time पे भी. So as a family you need to sit and you need to understand कि what is happening to her. ये तो पहले नहीं था, but पहले जब आप ही accept नहीं करोगे, you know, this I have heard कि why make such an issue. हमारी mothers तो नहीं issue बनाती थी क्योंकि हमने बनाने का मौका ही नहीं दिया. हमने उनको बोलने का मौका ही नहीं दिया, उनको समझने का मौका ही नहीं दिया. द मोमेंट वो ऐसे बिहेव करती थी, हम इरिटेट होके चले जाते थे Again, I am repeating internalization of your stress.
Of course.
It comes back to the same thing.
Yeah.
We do not voice it. तो वो सप्रेस हो जाता है, फिर वो डिप्रेशन में चले, छोड़ो ना, अभी इनको समझाना बेकार है, forget it. I will deal myself. But you are not dealing with yourself. You are feeling hurt inside.
Yes.
और वो सारा ट्रॉमा निकलेगा जिस दिन ब्लास्ट होता है, उस दिन निकलता है. You never understood that time.
Yes.
You never.
It happens all the time.
So you voice it then and there. नहीं अच्छा लग रहा है, उसी वक्त बोलो, सबको बिठा के बोलो. I need your help. Ask for help. What's the shame in asking for help? But we are superhumans. I will deal. मैं manage कर लूंगी. Why do you want to manage?
Yes.
You have managed the entire house. Now let them manage you. Can't you do that? Can't you ask for help? I'm not asking for give and take exactly, but I'm asking you, you manage the entire house. Now sit them, make them explain, I need your help now. I will not get up early. I'm not able to. Manage your tiffin boxes. I cannot wake up late at night, so manage everything. Shift the timing according to my timings now. Ask for help. Never let it go. I will manage. Why do you want to manage?
You're taught to be superwoman. No, you can do everything.
No,
everything.
नहीं है भाई superwoman. नहीं है. The moment you let go of that guard, you feel so happy. कोई expectation ही नहीं है.
Oh wow.
Right?
Yes.
You let go of that guard of superwoman.
Yeah.
Then there is no expectation. You do as you please. भाई मुझे नहीं आता. I don't know. You do it on your own. Little things. Why do you have to just get up? घंटी बजी है, सब खाना खा रहे हैं, but माँ ही उठ के क्यों जाती है? Baby, you get up and go. See who's there on the door.
Yeah.
Change it.
Wow. That was excellent point. Thank you, Ritu, for this. And now, जैसे आपने बात बोली in the previous question, कि there are certain remedies which can help you navigate these phases of your life. ठीक है, especially menopause. And as you have written a book on Bach therapy, this is my question, that what is Bach therapy? Because कहीं ना कहीं हमने आयुर्वेद के बारे में सुना है, हमने होम्योपैथी के बारे में सुना है, we have learned about meditation and fasting and what not. पर शायद ये ऐसी एक थेरेपी है जिसके बारे में ज़्यादा बात नहीं हुई या सुना नहीं है. सो कैन यू प्लीज़ एक्सप्लेन कि बैच थेरेपी क्या है और कैसे काम करती है?
These are 38 essences of well-known wildflowers coming from trees, from nature. And basically the medium is vibrational and energy. So, I question you one thing.
Yeah.
हम भगवान को फूल चढ़ाते हैं.
हाँ.
अलग अलग भगवान को अलग अलग फूल चढ़ते हैं.
Yes.
We women like to adorn our hair also. Flowers से.
True.
There's some energy, there's some vibration. Right? Behind all these flowers. Same way, these are 38 flowers. And they work exactly on your emotions. Only on your emotional level.
Okay.
I will repeat again, they do not work on your physical level. They only work on your emotional level.
Acha.
Why? Now, aiding to get that mental balance in your own mood and your personality. Right? And my thing is that each and every person, there's no harm in knowing this. This is a part of homeopathy, basically. Part of homeopathy curriculum.
Okay.
Bach flower therapy. But you need extreme profound awareness to understand these remedies. Understanding nature is difficult, we all know.
Yeah.
We have all heard this 100 times. So you need to understand your patient, you need to understand your own self profoundly to understand these remedies. There are 38 remedies plus rescue remedy, which I will discuss later on. So they work on your all the suppressed emotions, piled up emotions, right from the motherhood, right from your childhood to everything. जो हमने suppress किए हुए हैं emotions, ये हमें नहीं पता, ये हमारे mental attitude पे hammer करते हैं. So these work on your mental symptoms. And once your body and mind are aligned, so definitely it will help in your physical illness also.
Yeah.
Right? So actually they are so natural remedies. I just want everybody should be aware of them.
Yes.
You can actually take them on your own also. You do not need any prescription. So once when I say that you can take on your own, what that implies? that implies that you are self-aware about your own situation. You're self-aware about your own mental attitude. You're self-aware about your own personality, your own moods. So if you are learning and if you're retaining these remedies, or if you're knowing about these remedies, so gradually you will know about yourself.
Yeah.
So that comes in self-healing, self-help.
Okay.
So finally, the remote control of your mental health is in your hands.
Yes. Perfect. Now, can you just, if you can give certain examples of actually how this, how do you do this healing process of using the Bach flower therapy so that we can understand it better?
So, why people dissuade homeopathy?
हाँ.
यार केस हिस्ट्री देनी पड़ती है, बहुत लंबा खींचता है.
ओके. हाँ.
बहुत लंबा टाइम
लगता है.
ये चीज़ है होम्योपैथी के साथ. एग्जैक्टली इससे ज़्यादा है बैच फ्लावर रेमेडीज.
हाँ.
सो इन द फर्स्ट सिटिंग नो पेशेंट विल गिव यू 100% हिस्ट्री. दैट विल बी जस्ट 40% हिस्ट्री. एंड दे विल से कि मैंने सब कुछ बता दिया.
Yes.
क्योंकि उनको खुद को ही नहीं पता है अंदर क्या हो रहा है. सो व्हेन दे कम टू मी कि ये हो रहा है, दे ऑलवेज कम विद दैट फिजिकल सिम्टम्स. मुझे ये हो रहा है. सो आई से कि ठीक है, फाइन, ये हो रहा है. फर्स्ट मंथ आई प्रिफर calming their physical situations. So homeopathy दी.
Okay.
And with that 40% I know what is mentally going on.
Yes.
You don't have to speak. You just have to listen. Listen is empathy. बोलने दो पेशेंट को, जो बोल रहा है बोलने दो. Even if you're getting bored, बोलने दो. Just watch their tone. Just watch those facial expressions. You will get to know what the emotions are going on inside. Peel off layers. Onion peel करते हैं ना?
Yes.
अंदर का तो बाद में निकलता है. सो एक एक लेयर पील अप करो. जैसे जैसे वो बोल रहे हैं अंदर तक हो जाएंगे. तो फर्स्ट मंथ इफ दे गेट कॉन्फिडेंस इन यू कि हाँ दवाई से मुझे फर्क पड़ा है, सेकेंड मंथ दे विल ऑटोमेटिकली कम टू यू. नाउ इट इज योर जॉब धीरे धीरे चीजें उगलवाना. पीलिंग द अनियन लेयर बाय लेयर.
Yes.
That is not their personality what they are speaking. Personality तो subdued, suppressed है अंदर, जो peel off से होएगी. So be patient, listen to the person.
Yes.
Watch their facial expression, their tone, and you will come to know what they are suffering from. धीरे धीरे वो खुलेंगे. मुझे आपको एक बात बतानी है मेरे हस्बैंड के बारे में. This is the thing they say in the 4th month, in the 3rd month. पर 70% पेशेंट हमारे चले जाते हैं 3rd मंथ तक. एंड आई फील वेरी बैड, बट देन आई कांट हेल्प इट. बट आई हैव सीडेड दैट थिंग इन देम ऑफ सेल्फ अवेयरनेस. क्वेश्चन योर सेल्फ, व्हाट इज हैपनिंग टू यू. कोई लेडी आके आपको ये नहीं बोलेगी कि मेरे हस्बैंड का अफेयर चल रहा है. या दैट इज हिटिंग हर ईगो. शी विल नॉट से. शी विल नॉट से दैट. वो बाहर निकलेगा. when you're not judgmental, when she thinks she's just listening, she's not being judgmental, ये नहीं बताएगी किसी को.
So
that fear, that vulnerability of society, of social norms is so huge. We do not voice our emotions. So at least we can be good listeners.
Of course.
No judging.
Yeah.
We all go through that.
So basically, you take counselings in Bach flower therapy, and according to their
mental symptoms.
Okay.
One example. Right. So this is one patient. So she says कि she cannot wake up early morning. मैं पहले सब उठ के कर लेती थी, मुझसे उठा ही नहीं जाता. मेरा बैक बहुत दुखता है. And I'm not able to sleep. So the first thing I asked कि बैक कहाँ से दुखती है, लोअर बैक या ये दुखती है, right? And you're not able to, she's not able to wake up in the morning. That means रात को सोई नहीं है, बहुत सोच रही है. The thoughts are going on in her mind. Lower back is connected to that intimacy between the couple holistically.
Yes.
So I just asked her कि where is your husband? He's into Navy. Right? सारी जिंदगी तो निकल गई because she was young, raising kids, kids have left the nest.
Yes.
वो back issues अब होने लगे हैं. मैंने कहा okay, when is he coming back? So बोले he's coming back next month and I don't want to be like this. I want to be prim and proper. मैंने कहा next week he's coming. मैंने कहा I'm sending you remedies. So just take them and let me know when he comes. Remedies एक दिन पहले पहुंची. उसने ली, एक ही दिन ली. Third day she's saying I don't have any back issues. Who was the support? Husband. He came and third day she was good and she thought कि medicine ने काम किया है. But then I explained her कि ये backbone है आपका. You were having immense thoughts कि I'm not like I used to be and I want to be like, you know, he is into Navy. He is so smart. I am not smart anymore. So ये सारी चीज़ें आपके दिमाग में चलती हैं. And then you are not able to sleep peacefully and you are not able to wake up in the morning. So you think that you are exhausted. You are just mentally exhausted. So there is a remedy, hornbeam and olive.
Okay.
So they work entirely on your mental symptoms that you're not able to push yourself in the morning.
Oh.
You need to give a push to yourself. So these two remedies, they work like that. Of course, I had sent those remedies. But सारा खेल तो husband के आते से ही हो गया. So this is a mental work.
Mental work, yeah.
So I explained her later. पहले बोलती तो शायद उसको समझ में नहीं आता. Then there was this another case.
Yeah.
She is just 45 and she has great issues like joint pain.
Achha.
So first month I said I'll send you the remedies, homeopathy. Second month I asked her, are there any issues in your family? So please understand, family is joint, right? So if there is any problem in the family joint, you will have joint pain.
Oh, okay.
Yes. Very scientifically proved, but you need to study to that level.
Yeah.
So then I understood there's a huge discrepancy between the mother-in-law, herself, and her husband. He's a sandwich person in both the cases. वो बीवी की तरफ बोले या mother की तरफ बोले. But all those issues in the joint family, in the family, are creating issues in a joint. So it took almost 8 to 9 months, but today she goes for a walk with her mother-in-law. And she says ki I think this is because of my walk and jog that I'm not having any issues in my knee pain. I'm happy. Whatever it is, she's not having. But I know in my heart, any discrepancy in the family, in the joint, will have joint pains.
Wow.
Right? So, वो holistically हमें वो पढ़ना पड़ता है उस हिसाब के लिए. But every remedy works on your emotions. So there are 38 remedies. And you have 40 plus symptoms, emotions.
Wow.
So, and all are overlapping. So, many times they are confused कि मैं ये remedy लूँ या ये remedy लूँ. मैंने कहा अभी क्या चीज़ चाहिए? You want to work on what symptom? You want to work on which emotion right now? So, do not get confused when you're talking to the patient. You need to understand, peel it like an onion.
Yes.
Upper emotions पहले work करो, deeper emotions में then only you will be able to reach.
Agreed. You just mentioned कि अलग-अलग 40 type ना emotions હોય છે, right?
Yes, more than that.
More than that. So can you just talk about few of them at least? કારણ કે I'm just having struggle understanding कि કયા emotions ને exactly તમે વાત કરી રહ્યા છો. So if you can name few of them, if you can.
Most common, anger.
हाँ.
Hatred.
हाँ.
Jealousy.
Okay.
And you name it, whatever you have. So we will come to know like that. Now you want to be, you know, very wary about it कि मैं बोलूँ या नहीं बोलूँ.
Yeah.
So I'll tell you mine.
Yeah.
I had anger issues.
Yes.
Irritability, impatientness. I had all the emotions and I am not shy of speaking about them. So jealousy और hatred भी आएगा ही. Jealousy आपको आने लगेगी कि I don't look the way I used to look. So my husband must be having some affair.
Yes. Why is he looking at
और
her?
मैंने तो अपने दिमाग में बना ही लिया उसके साथ ही होगा.
हाँ, of course.
So the jealousy is towards her.
Yes.
Hatred will creep in. And then there is the crying.
Oh my God. These all emotions are
Yes, they are all interrelated. So my first sentence was that there is an intimate relationship between the mind and the body.
There is.
जैसा सोचोगे वैसा ही होगा.
Yeah.
So that so there are 100 emotions. मैंने तो सिर्फ 40 पे वर्क किया है.
That's
physically and emotionally that happens during menopause.
Wow. And have you written about these emotions in your book?
Yes, I have.
Beautiful. Can someone pass that book if it's there? So, this is the book in which Dr. Ritu has talked about Pech flower remedies. It's a difficult one. What is it?
Okay. That's a transformation during menopause.
Okay, perfect.
In a menopausal woman.
So Naishat sir, he was talking about this book and he told me that મારી લાઈફની જેટલી પણ women છે, I would suggest them to read this book. So if you are a woman, if you are dealing with any issue or if you are not, it can help you understand yourself and your emotions, if I may say so.
Not even during menopause.
Anytime. Yeah.
And I think बच्चों को और husbands को भी पढ़नी चाहिए.
Yes, it's very, very important. Why did I say women? Because first you understand yourself.
Yes, self-awareness has to be there.
Exactly.
And everybody should treat their own self. Because we are so shy of asking for help.
Yeah.
When I asked you about your emotions, you took that few seconds to say.
I was numb.
Yeah,
I couldn't speak.
Yeah, because you are thinking what kind of negative emotions you have.
Yeah.
We all have. We all have. We don't have to be superwoman.
Exactly.
And I am the person with anger यहाँ पे, irritability यहाँ पे, impatientness यहाँ पे. So yes, it helped me a lot.
That's so beautiful. So yeah, just the lines that if you want to understand yourself better and your womanhood better, you might want to go purchase and read it. It will help you. Thank you so much, Dr. Ritu, for talking about and writing about this very important topic. And अभी जो आपने बात की उसी पे मैं शायद एक लाइन ऐड करना चाहूँगी कि एज अ सोसाइटी और एज अ फैमिली हमको हमारी शेडो साइड से कन्फ्रंट करना नहीं सिखाया है. सो वी instantly go into the self-blame ki I'm a bad person. If I'm feeling this, I'm this person, I'm this person, and this person. It's because I don't know my shadow side and I don't know how to confront it because I do not want to be that villain person or a bad person. But until and unless you know it, your emotions, how will you?
Generally हम बोलते हैं ना, हम किसी और के कंधे पे रख के बंदूक चलाते हैं.
हाँ.
We blame others.
Yeah.
Don't blame others. Don't blame yourself.
Mm-hmm.
This is a part of you. This is going to happen to you. The emotions are going to take toll over you. बचपन के हैं, मदर वुंड के हैं, सब ही लेंगे. Just address them. Addressing them is very important. Ask for help. Don't be embarrassed of asking for help. और आपको पता चल जाता है कहाँ से हेल्प लेनी है. It's not a big deal.
Yeah.
And it's okay if you're an open book. At least you are fearless of the present situation, what is happening in your life. If you're fearless about that, कोई physical illness, ठीक है, with age it comes.
Yeah.
But that's okay.
That's beautiful.
Yes.
That's very, very beautiful. So doctor, ये जो बैच थेरेपी की आपने बात की, so मेनोपॉज के अलावा कौन कौन ये हेल्प सीख कर सकता है?
So right now,
yeah,
I have teenagers.
Okay.
As my patients.
Okay.
You know what is the problem with the teenagers? Adolescent age. They know everything. I will manage on my own. You don't tell me what to do. I know this is my problem. Yet they are not able to manage. If you are able to know everything, if you know everything, if you are able to manage, why you are not able to manage these issues? Because again, I will say कि they are under tremendous pressure. Peer pressure, school ka pressure to do well.
Yeah.
Then they have to be multitaskers. They have to be good at everything.
Yeah.
Which is not humanly possible. And then there's a stress कि अच्छा कॉलेज में एडमिशन मिले तो अच्छा जॉब मिलेगा. फाइनली एंड अप जॉब पे भी नहीं होता है. अब जॉब हो गया तो लड़की मिले, लड़का मिले, whatever. So it's an ongoing process. And in this ongoing process, we forget the today.
Yeah.
So they are under tremendous pressure. सबसे बड़ा प्रेशर होता है social pressure and peer pressure. So one of the teenagers, उसका pressure ये है कि मुझे बाहर ही पढ़ना है. And I'm not able to clear GRE and this. So for that shortcut क्या है?
Okay.
Because my friends have gone there. I don't want to study in this.
Yes.
So he is having issues with the parents. You don't want to send me out, and slamming the door and not eating and binge watching. So these likelihood of self-neglect takes toll over your body.
Yes.
And then they have this, high society or peer pressure of substance abuse, smoking, alcohol at the tender age. Everything compiles, everything keep on piling up, and they just start having issues in teenage life only.
Wow.
And they're so addicted to porn also, and they're so addicted to masturbation. They do not understand that real life sex and masturbation, they're entirely different. They spoil their sex life then. And nobody wants to address this. So when I ask them in the second sitting or the third sitting, then they open up.
Yes.
Yes, they have anxiety issues when they're facing their girlfriends.
Oh.
They are having pre-ejaculations and all those stuff. Because they are so much into masturbation and porn life that they do not know how to match up with the real life sex life.
And unfortunately घर में कोई बात भी नहीं करता
नहीं करते, कोई भी बात नहीं करते. आधे टाइम तो पेरेंट्स को पता ही नहीं होता है my child is doing so much of masturbation and they are watching porn. And I don't understand how is it possible. You do not know this thing about your child. So I always tell the parents that इसके साथ साथ आपको काउंसलिंग चाहिए.
Yes.
Motherhood or the parenthood, it's a 20-year job. You just simply cannot leave it like this. If you're working, it's still a 20-year job. If you're not working, it's still a 20-year job.
Yes.
And there is no holidays for that. बच्चों का मूड तो कभी भी कुछ भी हो सकता है. You have to be present. Because if you're not present at that time, they will always remember. जब मुझे ज़रूरत नहीं थी, आप नहीं थे.
Yes.
So it's a very difficult. Teenagers are the most difficult part. Because वो puberty भी होती है और girls के साथ तो बहुत ज़्यादा होता है. So at every stage. Emotions are there at every stage. Only the kids are not able to voice. So they will throw tantrums like breaking the stuff, breaking toys. या मॉल में पसर जाते हैं ना बच्चे. और फिर हम immediately उनको दिला देते हैं. So why I'm saying this, I remember this. My son did this long time back. So एकदम पसर गया कि मुझे ये चाहिए. We were in Bombay. So मैं भी वहीं लेट गई मॉल में उसके पास में. And he felt embarrassed कि दिलाने की बजाय तो खुद भी मेरे साथ लेट गई हैं. And my husband was like, what are you both doing? मैंने कहा just give me 1 second. मैंने कहा चलो अपन ऐसे ही बात करते हैं. तो बोले कि नहीं मेरे को वो चाहिए. मैंने कहा मैं दिलाऊंगी लेकिन ये काम करने के बाद. First you eat and I will buy you this. I promise you this. So he got up that day and today no tantrum throwing. Because you cannot shout at them. What are you doing? दांत पीसती है माँ. उठ जाओ सब देख रहे हैं. He is doing it purposely. तो सबको दिखाने के लिए कर रहा है. You have to deal it differently. If you scold them, if you tell them कि वो security वाले भैया ना तुम्हें ले जाएंगे, बंद कर देंगे. These are the wrong tactics. You are अंदर fear भर रहे हो आप बच्चे के. डांट के दांत पीस के. He is watching you. The kids are watching you. Don't do that. Handle them ऐसे. पसर गया तो आप भी पसर जाओ. It's not a big deal.
Yes. It's a wonderful technique to deal with it. And instead of उनको डर दिखाने के सिवा please deal with it.
It's not that I am a very good all-know mother. I went through all these things. But eventually at least learn from them. Learn from them. Because when you are scolding them, when you are hitting them, you are not doing a right thing. So check yourself rather than checking the kid. वो तो करेंगे ही. वो उनका काम है करने का. But hitting is not your job. You are way smarter. So deal accordingly.
Wow. Thank you so much, Dr. Ritu, for talking about it. Now, I just want to ask few of the questions. So मैंने जब menopause के बारे में सुना था, और I was just researching about the interview and I was going through certain videos, और बहुत सारी जगहों पे, बहुत सारे interviews में बहुत सारे doctors ने recommend किया है कि there are certain ways of dealing with menopause, especially if not menopause, there are certain ways to regulate your hormones. जैसे अभी अपने intermittent fasting के बारे में बात की. Intermittent fasting right now, if you call it a fad, if you call it a sustainable lifestyle, but they say that many studies has proven that intermittent fasting or certain kind of fasting helps you regulate your hormones, especially your sex hormones. So what is there any fact, is there any truth about it, and if yes, how does it work?
Intermittent fasting हमारे Indian culture में बहुत टाइम से है.
Yes.
So that is basically to metabolize our gut. ठीक है?
Yeah.
And as I said, during menopause, the gut goes for a toss. सबसे पहली चीज़.
Yes.
Women will say that I feel constipated. I don't feel like eating. Bloating is there, and there's swelling is there, because the gut has gone for a toss, right? So now, what difference are you doing in your lifestyle? First, you need to check that. क्योंकि मेनोपॉज आ रहा है तो आपकी स्लीप भी टॉस पे जा रही है. यू आर इन टू एंक्शियस मोड मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम, सो देर मस्ट बी बिंज ईटिंग ऑल्सो, एंड देन देर आर लॉट ऑफ फास्ट फूड्स गोइंग ऑन, और मेटाबॉलिज्म को और स्लो करते चले जा रहे हैं. सो फर्स्ट यू नीड टू चेक व्हाट डिफरेंस यू आर डूइंग इन योर लाइफ स्टाइल. बोले नहीं, मैं तो जैसे पहले खाती थी, 90% टाइम्स यू विल फाइंड मैं जैसे पहले खाती थी मैं पहले वैसे ही खा रही हूँ. इमोशंस के बारे में वो कभी बात नहीं करेंगे. देन व्हेन दे सी कि दे आर पुटिंग ऑन वेट, दे विल गो फॉर they will go for salad diet with lot of chia seeds and lot of these things. फिर वो धीरे धीरे खुल के आते हैं. Then I have to tell them, darling, these things are not absorbed by our body without soaking for 7 to 8 good hours.
Yes.
So stop having salad, क्योंकि ये मेटाबॉलिज्म को और स्लो कर रहा है. आराम से लौकी की सब्जी खाओ, मेटाबॉलिज्म को स्लो नहीं करेगा. किड्स विल नॉट एग्री विथ मी, स्पेशली माई किड्स, बट आई टेल देम कि व्हेन थिंग्स आर नॉट गोइंग गुड, प्लीज डू नॉट हैव ब्लैक कॉफी, डू नॉट हैव सैलेड्स. नॉर्मल खाना खाओ. कम खाना खाओगे तो मेटाबॉलिज्म और कम हो जाएगा और स्लो हो जाएगा. यू विल फील ऑल द मोर कॉन्स्टिपेटेड. सो हैव अ हार्टी ब्रेकफास्ट, हैव अ हार्टी गुड लंच, स्लो इट डाउन लेटर ऑन. But nutrition तो चाहिए. Because at menopause, when you're losing so much of blood, or you're not losing blood, whatever it is that your muscles are weakening, you need a proper diet. घी भी खाओ, सब कुछ खाओ, whatever is present in that environment, eat everything. But eat at the right time.
Yeah.
Eat at the right time. Sleep at the right time. Because योर बॉडी डजंट नो कि तुम कब सोए हो.
Yes.
वो तो उसी हिसाब से करेगा. फिर तुम लेट उठोगे, द टाइम इज गॉन फॉर द रश आवर, बिकॉज यू वोक अप लेट. सो देन यू से कि मैं तो फ्रेश ही नहीं हुई. द टाइम इज ऑलरेडी गॉन.
Yes.
सो मेंटेन द साइकिल, मेंटेन द रिदम. और नहीं होता है तब हम ये फैट चीज़ों के लिए जाते. चेंजेस इन लाइफ. सेम थिंग गोज फॉर द पिगमेंटेशन. माई स्किन इज डार्कनिंग. ये पिगमेंटेशन के लिए क्रीम है, ये वो है, ये वो है, ये सारी चीज़ें हैं. बट द हॉर्मोन्स आर डिक्टेटिंग यू. अगेन वो वाले मेलेनिन हॉर्मोन्स नहीं बन पा रहे हैं. स्पेशली चाइल्ड बर्थ के टाइम पे, प्रेगनेंसी के टाइम पे भी होता है, मेनोपॉज के टाइम पे भी होता है. देन आई टेल देम कि स्टॉप यूजिंग ऑल दीज केमिकल्स. सबसे आसान चीज़ है ना, केले का छिलका लगा लो, सुबह रगड़ लो, पपीते का छिलका लगा. वेयर इज द हार्म इन नेचुरल स्टफ? बट इट इज़ वेरी डिफिकल्ट. सो यू हैव टू बी सेल्फ अवेयर फॉर ऑल दीज थिंग्स बिफोर आई एक्सप्लेन इट टू यू. राइट? देन मॉर्निंग में दे विल हेल्प, दे विल स्टार्ट हैविंग समथिंग टू रेगुलेट प्रोबायोटिक्स एंड ऑल दीज थिंग्स. हमारी छाछ है ना प्रोबायोटिक, राइट? देन there are so many things. अजवाइन है, दाना मेथी है, काली जीरी है. Ayurveda is booming into that. You have to study all these things to get into that instead of pop up the medicine.
Yeah, the instant fix.
लेकिन वो instant fix side effect देता ही देता है.
Yeah. Okay. It's true. And thank you for explaining this topic. Last thing is the question from all the girls who are experiencing hormonal imbalance. Me being one of them. Sorry, I'm being a little selfish. But many girls, in these times, especially, they go through PCOS, PCOD, they say that every one from every 5 girls or something like that, they suffer from either PCOD or PCOS.
Yes.
Can they benefit from batch therapy?
Lots and lots. Start कैसे होता है? Lack of sleep, lack of healthy lifestyle. बच्चों के पास टाइम नहीं है for outdoor sports, for outdoor activities. And then what happens, I will say, when the periods are not regulated because of all these things, generally modern medicine में इसकी हेल्प PCOD, PCOS में आई पिल से होती है. बर्थ कंट्रोल पिल से होती है. They have their different side effects. And because women and girls, they are shy of having that extra hair, hoarse voice, weight increase, rough hair. ये सारे side effects हैं PCOD, PCOS के. अब उसको कवर करने के लिए either you are having hormonal therapy or you are having eye pills which doctors recommend. But ये और physical fibroids और cyst होने लगता है इन सब चीज़ों से. But what you are going through, mental imbalance, वो तो हम देख ही नहीं रहे, वो तो हम एड्रेस कर ही नहीं रहे क्योंकि वो किसी को नहीं दिख रहा है. सबको क्या दिख रहा है? स्किन दिख रही है, आवाज़ दिख रही है, बाल दिख रहे हैं. Physical beauty is still so important to us कि what mentally the girls are going through, they are themselves not bothered. They do not address that. So unless you do not address that, ये तो hormonal होता ही रहेगा because stress induced है ये सब. स्ट्रेस इंड्यूस्ड है, लाइफस्टाइल इंड्यूस्ड है, सब्सटेंस अब्यूज़ है, एल्कोहलिज्म है, ये सब सारी चीज़ें इंड्यूस्ड हैं. एंड देन देयर आर मटीरियल फैक्टर्स, टॉक्सिन इन द एनवायरनमेंट, द फ्रूट्स एंड द वेजिटेबल्स दैट यू आर ईटिंग, you cannot deny that and you cannot leave that. Then there are other things like infections भी हैं. Then there's poor nutrition, क्योंकि आप लेट सो रहे हो तो अब किचन बंद है, चलो चिप्स खा लिया, ये खा लिया. बॉडी इज ग्रोइंग, बॉडी नीड्स कार्ब, बॉडी नीड्स फैट, बॉडी नीड्स प्रोटीन. बट ये सारा चीज़ें तो नहीं मिल रही हैं बॉडी को. यू आर वेकिंग अप लेट, यू आर नॉट हैविंग अ हेल्दी ब्रेकफास्ट, यू आर स्लीपिंग लेट, तो वो सारा का सारा पीरियड साइकिल पे तो इफेक्ट करेगा ही. एंड देन यू आर स्ट्रेस इंड्यूस्ड. स्ट्रेस डिस्टर्ब्स योर पीरियड साइकिल हेविली.
ओके, सो इसलिए कोई लड़कियों की पहली लंबी साइकिल होती है, बट one of my colleague was saying that I really used to have 5-6 days of my period, or abhi it has reduced to like hardly 2 days.
What medications they are taking, first of all, what the mental symptoms are, and then they are going to have an early menopause. Cycling is reducing.
Okay.
Yes. So everything is connected. So treat your mind first. Be aware what is happening to your mind. Eventually there will be a self-healing in physical health also, in the physical body also. Do not deny what is happening in your mind. ये क्यों हो रहा है? Ask yourself, ये टॉस क्यों हो रहा है पीरियड्स में? पीरियड्स कम ज़्यादा अलग अलग टाइम पे क्यों आ रहे हैं? Why don't you question that first? Rather than just directly going to the doctor. What is happening inside me? Am I stressed? Am I stressed because of the exam? Or because of the admission? Because of the job? What is there? So address that mental imbalance, address that mental issue. Physical issue तो है, बहुत सारे जने हैं, cover up कर लेंगे.
Wow, that's beautiful. Thank you so much, Dr. Ritu, for coming on this podcast and talking about this important topic, which needed to be addressed. And thank you so much for being here.
Thank you, Adri. Thank you so much, Sweetie.
It was very good talking to you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you for joining us in this episode. I hope આ એપિસોડે તમને ક્યાંક ને ક્યાંક તમારા વ્યક્તિત્વ વિશે, તમારી સેલ્ફ અવેરનેસ એબિલિટીઝ વિશે જાણવામાં મદદ કરી હશે. For more such information and for more such informative podcast, for more such information and informative podcast, subscribe to this channel. We shall see you in the next episode.